What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Ethereum price on the 4-hourly, and I'm going to stick to my prediction, which is this massive, huge double bottom scenario, okay, that needs to play out, in my opinion, in the next coming weeks. I'm going to show you the targets, okay. If you're a new subscriber, I'm going to share this in today's episode. We're taking a look at the 4-hourly. Are these bearish divergences going to play out, and the Ethereum price is going to come to lower levels for a potential better entry for a long position? We'll be discussing this in today's episode. Also, the Bitcoin price broken out from this ascending wedge, but do we have enough power? Are we going to come to lower levels, or are we going to come back into the ascending wedge because there's no volume from the breakout? We'll be discussing this in today's episode. And remember, PrimeXbt has got the best bonus available down below, my favorite day trading platform, using my link in the description, and Bitcoinsensus 50 getting 50% added to your deposit. I day trade in this platform, and I also use Bybit for swing trades. I'm going to close most of my positions because we can see the price is getting exhausted. I'll be closing Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, also Ethereum Classic. So anyway, you got the best bonus down below, guys, if you want to trade on these platforms. Said this, let's dive into the content. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I do daily TA on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. I also do live streams to connect with the community. So make sure to subscribe, guys. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research first. Let's dive in. All right, taking a look at the Ethereum price here on the 4-hourly chart. And before we start, I want to say, guys, I don't think we're near a bear market just yet, okay? It might happen next year at some point. At the end of the year, I think not. But you do not see cryptocurrencies such as this one over here, which is Solana, that's broken all-time highs yesterday, okay? And yeah, this is no signs of any bear market just yet, because, you know, if you have a dead cat bounce scenario, which happened right over here, you come down and retest the low. If you're going to have a bull trap, okay, you do not hit all-time highs and break it like this, okay? Most of the cryptos enter a bear market if Bitcoin and Ethereum does. You do not see some altcoins, you know, going and popping and breaking all-time highs. No signs of a bear market yet, guys. So let's dive in straight into the Ethereum price, because we can clearly see here on the 4-hourly that there are some bearish divergence. We'll go into that straight away, but I am sticking to my prediction that we talked about last week, okay, maybe about 10 days ago. And this is this massive, huge double bottom scenario. We've got a massive spike here, and then this one right over here being the Eve, double bottom, Adam and Eve. We've broken out from resistance. We've already got a bounce, and this is at the $2,900. As you can see here in May, we struggled so much to get above. We had 3 bounces, even 4 here at $2,830. So this has been a super strong resistance that we did not manage to break, as you can see. So now what has happened for the last a few days? Well, we broke it here nicely on the 6th of August, and then we got a massive bounce on the 9th of August from here. Now, it is possible, let me just tell you, that this price target, okay, is coming all the way to the $4,000 range, okay? I think this is very possible in the next coming week or two. Now, yeah, let's zoom in here on the 4-hourly to see what is happening, you know, on the price action. Now, we can clearly see, we've talked about this before, around the 3,200, 3,300 area is a lot of traffic. There's been a very strong support here and a lot of volatility, as you can see here at the beginning of May. Now, what we can see is now that we are having major rejection around this area, a lot of consolidation, and it's, you know, we're struggling to break above it. What do I think is going to happen in the next few hours and days? Well, I don't know, but let's do some analysis here, because the 4-hourly RSI is indicating us that the bulls are losing steam. We've been talking about this now for a couple of days. So we did get a bounce. We didn't even touch here this support line from this channel that we've created. So yeah, the same scenario, nothing has changed for Ethereum. We need to pay close attention to see what is going to happen now. And you know the deal, the measured move from a breakout of a channel is getting the width of the channel from the breakout of the resistance. This should take us above the $3,600. That would be the impulsive move, all depending on where we're going to break out. But if we break out here in the next day or two maximum, I think, yeah, we should be arriving almost to 3,700 here very nicely. So that is a very possible scenario to happen. The bearish case scenario, you know the deal, the width of the channel, depending on where we're going to break out, you know, we are exactly going to come all the way here, retesting this zone, which is the 2,900. And guess where this zone is? This is going to be this major area, 2,900, 2,850 approximately. Okay, we should be getting a bounce, in my opinion. We might see some volatility. Okay, we maybe not going to exactly hit the 2,850 or the 2,900. We might even wick down to 2,800 or maybe 2,750. But there should be a lot of traffic around this range. We should be getting a nice, you know, consolidation before we have a bounce, or we might come back down and straight back up again. I am going to place some long orders. We might be doing this live, or I'll be showing you in one of my videos. So I'll be paying close attention. If we do get that severe drop down here, then eventually on the 4 hourly, we're going to go into oversold territory, I would think, and then have a massive bounce. So that would be a great buying opportunity. If we do not come down there, well, that is totally fine. I think we'll probably be breaking here the resistance and coming to meet the $3,700, even $800 area. We do know that there is also, you know, major support around this range. We did create this huge diamond reversal pattern that was mentioned also on the channel. So yeah, it's been support, heavy support, $3,700, $3,600 area. So some type of resistance is very, very likely, or we might even blast off. But anyway, this is the short-term scenario that we can see here. Okay, taking a look at the 1 hourly, that is very, very likely to happen. We are in this ascending channel. We need to pop, okay, and pay attention here for a potential scalp, maybe to the upside or maybe to the downside. Remember, 2,900, 2,800 is going to be super, super strong. I think we're going to get such a huge bounce if we do come down to this area. So pay attention to this level. And for experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market, PrimeXbt has got the best bonus available by using my link in the description, getting 50% added to your deposit by using Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. You cannot withdraw this bonus. It is used for buying power. I explain everything in the tutorial down in the description. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price here, because we have broken out from this ascending wedge. Right, zooming out on the 4 hourly, we're still having these bearish divergence. They haven't played out just yet. The price wants to push to higher levels, but the RSI is getting exhausted. We are making lower highs here. So what is the most likely scenario? I think there is about 65% chance that we might, you know, finally have a leg up potentially and then get that correction. But you know, I do know a lot of people here are shorting the market. I am not looking for short positions, guys, okay? So even though if this breakout is legit and we do come down to lower levels, maybe to the 42,500, maybe to the $38,000, I don't think we're going to come that low, but everything is a possibility. If we do come down to these levels, I will be looking for some long opportunities. I think a massive bounce around this area is almost imminent. Okay, if we take a look at this bump and run, I am a strong believer. I am going to stick to this analysis. If we have that major correction, you know, guys, this is going to be a great buying zone in my opinion. Okay, so this is what we got here for, you know, zooming out on the 4 hourly. If we go to the 1 hourly, yesterday we were talking about this okay, this descending wedge that met the target here very, very nicely, so we can get this out of the way. We saw this kind of bull flag that was a total yeah, it was not a success. So zooming in here on the 30-minute chart here quickly, just to take a look, you know, this, it was a very dodgy one. We did say it in the on the live video that, yeah, this, I wouldn't rely too much on this. You know, we were seeing some volume okay to the upside, but yeah, it was a very, very difficult trade this. So I don't usually trade on the 30 minutes. It's not too reliable to trade. So yeah, be very, very cautious if you're trading 15-minute, 30-minute chart. Anyway, this is what I got. I think the question is now, going to the 1 hourly, is this breakout legit from this ascending wedge? There's not too much volume. There's, a lot of choppy price action, round bottom. So yeah, we're probably going to come back into this ascending wedge, but yeah, we want to see some volume. We want to see some confirmations. Remember, I am not looking to short this market. I am looking for this market to come to lower levels so I can re-enter some long positions. We are in a massive uptrend. Okay, the market is feeling very, very bullish. So yeah, since the 22nd of July, the trend is up. We are breaking major resistance, which has been the 40,500. We are looking for long positions, at least I am. Okay, so yeah, nothing too clear just yet. Remember, I will be doing a live stream afterwards, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Round about 3-4 p.m. Central European time, I will be doing a live stream. I'll make sure to send you a notification 15 minutes at least before the live stream. This is going to be it for today's episode, guys. Hope I can see you afterwards on the live stream. Remember to check out the Bitcoinsensus website, the latest technical analysis and news here. You can check out exchanges here to see where the best bonuses are and best fees on the different exchanges. Okay, so make sure to check that out. Totally free information down below. If you haven't seen my Bybit or PrimeXbt tutorial to learn how to trade on those platforms, video on the screen right now. I'll see you guys in the live stream.